Hello guys, welcome to another video from my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create YouTube thumbnails for 100% free. For this work, you have to install CapCut PC Vision to your desktop computer. Then I open the PC CapCut version, then go to Start Creating. Okay guys, now you can import your background images, photos, templates, and icons to CapCut. I import this background image, the professor image, and CapCut icon. After that, you have to add your background image to the timeline, then change the image size into 16:9. Okay guys, then add your photo to this timeline. Guys, I want to remove the background of the professor image. So I click the image, go to the cutout, then go to the auto cutout. Guys, the background is removed. Okay, then you have to add text to your project. Go to text.go to effects. You can choose any effects. I choose this text effect to my video. Now I am typing how to create YouTube thumbnail for free. Okay guys, then I add this CapCut icon to my video. Then I minimize it. Guys, I want to blur this video, then I go to Effects, go to Opening and Closing Effects, and I choose Blur.a window as appeared. Using this tab, you can change the strength of the blur. Then I go to 3-dot icon, select Export Still Frame, and now you can export your video. Okay guys, now you can close the CapCut app. I go to Desktop and go to the Save folder. You can watch the image has been saved. Okay guys, if you liked my videos, please subscribe my channel.